He also talks about us forcing terms like birthing person on women. Again, Twitter brain rot, right? Birthing person, these sorts of terms came out because like OBGYNs, doctors who prescribe like birthing care for people, decided to make their language inclusive. So non-binary people and trans men who want to get pregnant don't feel outed by that sort of language, or don't feel like unincluded, don't feel unwelcome in those spaces. But nobody is advocating for calling individual patients a birthing person. Nobody is advocating for ceasing the use of the word mother for cis women who access this care. Nobody.
Well, Mr. Secretary, materials coming from your department, you've referred to mothers as birthing persons, replacing that title with...
Are mothers not persons?
Mothers are persons, but it seems to be more inclusive, like you're trying to include another gender in that.
I'm all about inclusion, Congresswoman.
There you go.
Again, you can find any individual person who espouses some crazy view. There is no meaningful portion of the population who is advocating for replacing the word women with birthing person. That is just a fiction.
A different topic. The largest labor union in the country, the National Education Association, had been proposing a resolution for future contracts to replace the word mother with birthing parent. What does the president think about proposals like that one?
So we're not the NEA, and I would refer you to their team about that particular.
The Vice President just spoke at that conference, though. The First Lady's a teacher. Yeah, the President says he's the most pro-labor president ever. Does he support proposals like that one? Does he think that is an important priority for...
And the First Lady is a proud member of the NEA. I am not going to speak about an organization's policy or change of policy.
And eliminate race-based disparities in outcomes among, quote, birthing people. This is a shift from recent budgets, which referred to maternal health issues as women's issues. I've never heard the term before. Can you explain what it means?
Absolutely. There are certain people who do not have gender identities that apply to female or male. So we think our language needs to be more inclusive in how we deal with complex issues.
When we talk about birthing people, we're being inclusive. It's that simple. We use gender neutral language when talking about pregnancy because it's not just cisgender women that can get pregnant and give birth. Reproductive freedom is for everybody.
This administration seems focused on semantics, whether it's replacing the term mother with birthing person, or creating a new checkbox on passports for people who claim to be neither a man nor woman. This administration's desire to signal its virtues